Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Mack here. Today we're going to be learning a little bit more about the how the moon affects the Earth. So we've been talking a lot about the different phases of the moon and how the moon, the Earth, and the sun's position will affect what we see when we look up in the night sky. But we're also going to take a look at now how the moon more directly affects us here on Earth by exploring a simulator about the tides. So there's a lot of information that's going on in this particular simulator. We have this sort of top half with the black background, and then we have this graph at the bottom of the screen. The graph is pretty easy to understand. It's going to show the height of water in this particular location, in this where this little red circle is, over time. And if you're not really good at understanding graphs or gathering information from graphs, you can also take a look at this sort of light blue that's surrounding the Earth. This represents the height of the water on the oceans along the coastlines found at the Earth, on the Earth. Now, when I press start up here, there's going to be some other things going on. We're going to see, of course, the Earth rotating on its axis. One rotation, of course, takes 24 hours. We're going to see the moon revolving around the Earth, and we know that that takes about 27.3 days to do that, or 29 and a half days to basically reset from first quarter when it starts all the way back to first quarter again. It will also keep track of days, hours, and lunar days. And it has this pretty cool tool right here that shows what the moon would look like from Earth if you were standing on this little red dot. Now, of course, this half of the moon and this half of the Earth is illuminated because the sun is over here and its rays of light are shining from the right to left direction. So I'm going to press this and just let it run for about a minute. As you're watching this, try to write down some of the observations and questions that you have in the I Notice, I Wonder table that's on your inquiry starter. Alright, so without further ado, here we go. And here's start. Okay, our moon phase cycle is about to reset. It's now again the first quarter. Now, as we start moving from waxing crescent and approaching first quarter moon for the second time around, I'm going to press stop. You can always rewind or rewatch parts of this video if you need help answering questions in your inquiry starter. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.